Welcome back to my class. Today we will do the superscribe sa. Superscribe sa. Superscribed sa. Superscribed sa. There are three superscribes. The first one is ra, rango. The second one is lango, which we did last time. And this one is the last superscribed. And with these, we will be done with the rules which is applied for letters and subjoints and vowels stacked one above another vertically. So there will be four, one stacked above another, either is subjoint or vowel or consonant, whatever. There will be four vertically stacked one above another. So with this we will be done with the rules applied for consonants and vowels and subjoints stacked one above another. So sorry. As I was saying last time, so superscribed, root letter, subjoint, vowel. So we will be finished today with this. We will be finished with the rules applied for vowels and consonants and subjoints stacked one above another. Now today we do sa, superscribed sa. And okay, so and you should also remember the rules that was applied for the previous two superscribed. So you should remember that rule. So here sa, katak, again ka, no difference in pronunciation. Either is either is as consonant with superscribed sa or just consonant ka. The pronunciation is exactly the same. Sa, kataka or ka. Ka. No change in the pronunciation. Ka. Ka. Ga. Sa, gatak. Sa, gatak. Ga. If the consonant ga is all by itself, is also pronounced ga, and if consonant ga is added, superscribed sa on top of it, is also pronounced exactly the same, ga. Sa gataka, sa kataka. Now we see superscript sa on letter nga, consonant nga. So it should be read as sa ngatak, sa ngatak. Maybe you remembered the rules for those two previous superscript. Sa ngata nga. Same rule applied here. Sa ngatak nga. Why it is sa ngatak nga? Because a superscript is added on a consonant which is in the fourth column. That is the reason why the tone should be raised. And sagataga, sagataga, why should it be pronounced the same? Because these two are, the first one is in the first column, this one is in the third column, and so therefore it should be pronounced exactly the same. Either ka is all by itself or ka is added superscribe on top of it. That is the rule. So sa ngatak nga ka nga cha cha ja nya. Sa nyatak. Now we know that nya is in the fourth column. So the tone should be raised. Sa nyatak nya. Sa nyatak nya. Sa nyatak nya. Cha 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 nya. Pa. Sa tatak, we know the consonant ta is in the first column, so sa tatak ta. No difference in the pronunciation. Either you add superscript sa or not, the pronunciation is the same. Ta, ta. Ta should be here, but we don't add superscript sa on top of consonant ta. So now we go to the, which is in the third column. Again, we know if superscript is added on a consonant in the third column, the pronunciation remains the same. Sa, da, tak, da. Again, we know that na is in the fourth column, and we are adding superscript sa on top of it. So sa na tak na. Sa na tak na. Sa na tak na. Sa na tak na. So there is a rule, there is a pattern. Once you understand, okay, if we add superscript ra on top of the consonant ka, which is in the first column, the pronunciation doesn't change. Similarly, sa, kata, ka. So there's a pattern. The way I am teaching is not the way I was taught or rest of the Tibetans were taught. We learned to read Tibetan much more out of memorization than a logical approach. It was much more like memorizing things, like like okay, like L-I-K-E, like K-I-T-E, kite, K-I-T-E, kite, N-I-K-E, Nike, kite, like. Why is not Nike? If a consonant is followed by vowel I and another consonant followed by vowel E, if it is L followed by vowel I, K followed by vowel E, if it should be read as like, then it's logical to read K-I-T-E, kite. But why it is not N-I-K-E, Nike? So like that, like it took us really long to read Tibetan. No logical approach was explained to us. And Tenzin Togme, a Indian student who was confused for like about 3 years about the rules to read Tibetan script, because there wasn't any explanation. There is an explanation, but it was kind of hidden. And so this is a new way of teaching Tibetan I came up with. This is my invention. If you learn through this method, you will be able to learn to read Tibetan in less than 20 hours. In less than 20 hours. I taught a French lady to read Tibetan in 14 hours. And I taught a Tibetan from Nepal to read Tibetan in 17 hours. She too is watching my class, YouTube class. She knows I'm telling you the truth. So what I'm trying to say is, it's easy to learn to read Tibetan. And once you are able to read Tibetan, I will introduce you some prayers, I will explain them, and then I plan to teach you Tibetan grammar in most logical way. And I speak like 4 or 5 languages, and with confidence I can say Tibetan is the most logical language. It can be, everything can be explained logically. Yes. So this is the new method I found. I was looking for explanation and I came up with this idea. Now if a superscript is added on top of a consonant which is in the 4th column, the tone of the consonant should be raised. Simple as that. Ta tha da na. Ta tha da na. Pa. Okay. Again, we know pa is in the first column. We are adding superscript sa on top of it. So sa pa ta pa. Pa ba. Pa pa ba. Ba is in the third column. We are adding sa on top of it. If superscript sa is added on consonant ba, there shouldn't be any change in the pronunciation. Sa bata ba. Sa bata ba. And then we know ma is the consonant ma is in the fourth column, and we are adding superscript sa on the consonant ma. Then when we add a superscript on a consonant which is in the fourth column, the tone of the consonant should be raised. Sa matak ma. Sa matak ma. Sa matak ma. Sa matak ma. Ma. Ba, ba, ma. Sa ta 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 ta. Sa ta 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 is in the first column, right? So sa ta 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 ta. Za wa sha sa ha ya ra la sha sa ha ah. That's about it now. So with this, we are done with the superscripts. Superscripts. Sakataka. Sakataka. Sakataga. Sangatanga. Sanyatanya. Sapatapa. Sabataba. Samatama. Samatama. Sa chata cha. In the next class, we will start learning the rules which is applied for consonants or letters arranged horizontally. Yeah, so don't skip any of the class if you really want to learn how to read Tibetan. When you go to my channel, you will see a circle in which you will see our picture. You click on it, and when you click on it, you will see some episodes randomly. and then if you push it from right hand to left hand, then all the episodes will come orderly. So the first one will be at the last, and the second one will be on top of it, and then you study this way. And if you are learning Tibetan and in English, the episode with a picture of students in uniform, that is where you have to go. If you want to learn Tibetan in English medium, then that is where you should go. So I hope you enjoyed the class and hope to see you soon. Have a good day.